Hey guys, this is Saurabh Nahi of Mallbot Technologies, and in this video let's take a look at the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro, which is said to be the best wireless vacuum cleaner available in the market. So I decided to try it out and see if it really is the best or not. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. Alright, so I'm not really gonna show you the unboxing of the V11 Absolute Pro because the box is huge and it comes with a lot of accessories which you can already see on the website. So you can see that right now on the screen. You get 7 attachments and couple of other accessories with the V11 Absolute Pro. Now talking about the design and build quality, first look of this product and I was like, it looks like those wireless or cordless drilling machines. I'm not really sure if you have seen that, but to me it looked like that. And that is not a bad thing because it is a wireless product once again, and this design is extremely functional. You can pick it up, you can clean your stuff and you can keep it back. So design wise, full marks for Dyson. Now next, what I really like is the color combinations that they have used. Red color complements gray color really well, and even this purple or violet color looks really nice. To me, this product looks really nice, and if you keep it anywhere in your home, I think you'll like it. It is definitely much better compared to other vacuum cleaners. So thumbs up for that again. Now talking about the build quality, it is very well made and it is quite sturdy. It is obviously made out of plastic for obvious reasons because it is a wireless product and you can't really use metal and make it heavy because then it will be difficult to use the product. So yeah, it is a very well made product. The only small thing I want Dyson to work on is the locking mechanism of this battery. This battery is removable. Even when you lock it, it still moves a little bit from this area. So if Dyson can work on that, then that would just make the product even better. Now let me quickly give you an overview of the V11 Absolute Pro. So on the front we have a 0.54 liter bin which will collect all the dust and stuff. In between we have a lot of tech that is present on the V11 Absolute Pro. I'm not really gonna get into it because then the video will become 20-30 minutes long. It comes with 14 cyclones and all that stuff. You can read that on the website. It comes with hyperdymium motor which spins at 125,000 RPM, and it has suction power of 185 air watts, which is the best on any wireless vacuum cleaner. That is the reason it has got so much power, and you will see the performance of this thing later in the video and that will blow your mind. Last but no, actually not last, it has this HEPA filter at the back which can be removed and it will collect all the dust. I mean the air that is being thrown out from here, it will collect all the dust so that the dust doesn't really come out, and because you're going to use it like this, so that's the reason they have put this filter so that dust is being captured all here and you get clean air on your face. Now last but not the least, there is this display at the back which shows you 3 different modes. There is eco mode, medium mode, boost mode. In boost mode you'll get maximum amount of performance. In medium mode it will be medium, and in eco mode it will be like below that. So in eco mode you get about more than 1 hour of usage time. With medium mode you get 40 minutes of usage time, and with boost mode you get 15 minutes of usage time. And you can see that amount of time that is left in each and every mode. You will get to see that on this particular display. So that is a really nice thing in my opinion. And apart from that, if we talk about the charging time, it takes 4.5 hours to charge this thing from 0 to 100%, which in my opinion is a little more. I mean, they could have used some fast charging technology because there is a lot of fast charging technology available in the market. So they could have used that, but yeah, that's not a big deal in my opinion because 40 minutes, I mainly used it in medium mode, and 40 minutes I think for me is more than enough. I have a 2 BHK apartment here in Mumbai, so that is more than enough for me. I still have like some amount of battery left for the next day, so it's not a big deal for me. But yeah, a lot of people have big homes and they might like use it for 40 minutes to clean their home. In that case, you can even buy additional battery. It will cost you about 6,900 rupees, which is not that expensive. I'll leave the link in the description box. If you are buying this product, you can obviously buy additional battery if you want. Now talking about the mechanism that they have used to attach the attachments to the vacuum cleaner, I really like it and I really appreciate that they have done something like this, because I have an old vacuum cleaner and attaching things on it is a task. You have to twist it and lock it and stuff. So it is not that user friendly, but this thing is extremely nice. Like it is quick to plug it in or remove. So thumbs up for that again. And you get about 7 attachments, 7 different types of attachments, and couple of accessories that will help you in cleaning your house. You can like reach corners to remove those webs, and you have angular accessories and stuff. So they have possibly included each and everything that you will ever need. So nice. Now, talking about my experience with the V11 Absolute Pro, it was amazing. It literally blew my mind. So what I did was, to test this thing, what I did was I cleaned a patch of area. I have carpet in my office studio. So I cleaned this patch of area with my old vacuum cleaner, and trust me, I don't really enjoy that using that vacuum cleaner because it is not that great. And even after cleaning it with that vacuum cleaner, I still feel that there is a lot of dust and stuff. So I cleaned it with that vacuum cleaner, and after that, when I cleaned it with this thing, this bin was completely full of dust and fine, mitti. I could see that. You can literally see it in the clip. With that vacuum cleaner, you can't really see a lot of dust in the bin, but with this vacuum cleaner, this bin was completely filled with dust, even with just this small patch of carpet that I cleaned. So it literally blew my mind away. I also cleaned those railings, window railings, with this, and it did a really good job, because earlier I used to clean it with that screwdriver and a kapda, but with this it was a piece of cake. Like, it was an easy job. I also cleaned like couple of webs that was there in my office. Like, it is difficult to reach because the height of this studio is quite a lot. It is more than 10 feet, so it is difficult to clean the corners. But with the attachments that you get with this vacuum cleaner, you can easily clean the webs and stuff like that. You get a lot of attachments, and they have possibly covered each and every aspect that you will, or thing that you will need to clean your house or office. So overall, I'm really impressed with the V11 Absolute Pro, and in my opinion, this is one of the top 5. It is easily in my top 5 list of tech products that I have loved in my entire life. Trust me on that. This is so good. And if you buy this thing, I'm sure you will go crazy. I mean, you'll keep using it every now and then, and you'll just look for bahana to use it. Wherever you see dust, you will quickly pick it up and clean it. That's the kind of impact this has had on me. So I think, which is a nice thing, because you should keep your surroundings clean. So yeah, overall, I really enjoyed using it, and I'm sure you will enjoy it too whenever you buy this thing. As always, all the links will be there in the description box. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a like. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified about more such amazing videos. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more updates. That's it, guys. This is Saurabh Nahar. Thank you guys for watching.